Hi everyone, this is Sainath. Today let us see part 4 of the Constitution of India, that is Directive Principles of State Policies. Now let us see Directive Principles in India. The Directive Principles of State Policies are guidelines or principles given to the government, that is central government or state government, to keep in mind while framing the laws and policies for the people. And directive principles of state policies are contained in Part 4 of the Constitution of India and are not justiciable. That is, they are not enforceable by court. The principles have been inspired from the Irish Constitution, and Irish is inspired from the Spanish. Okay, and it also contains the principles of Gandhism and related to social justice, economic welfare, foreign policy, and legal and administrative matters. Now, let us see the classification of directive principles of state policy. DPSPs are not classified in Constitution, but are classified for our convenience. Directive principles of state policies can be classified into three types, that is socialist, Gandhian, liberal. Uh, Socialist principle consists of Article 38, 39, 39A, 41, 42, 43, 43A, 47. And Gandhian principle consists of Article 40, 43, 43B, 46, 47, 48. Liberal principles consist of 44, 45, 48, 48A, 49, 50 and 51. Now let us see these articles in detail. Okay. Now let us start the socialist principles, that is from 38 onwards. Now let us see the Article 38. It says that to promote the welfare of the people by securing a social order permitted by the justice, that is social, economical and political, and to minimize the inequalities in income, status, facilities and opportunities. Now let us see that 39 article. It states that the state shall in particular direct its policies towards securing the citizens, men and women equally, have the right to adequate means of livelihood. B. That ownership and control of the material resources of a community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good. C. That the operation of economic system does not result in the concentration of wealth and means of production to common determinant. And D. That there is an equal pay for equal work for both men and women. E. That the health and strength of the worker, men and women, and the tender age of the children are not abused, and the citizens are not forced by the economic necessity to enter vocation is unsuited to age or strength. Okay. Now let us see Article 39A, that is to promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid to poor. Now let us see Article 41, that is to secure right to work, right to education and public assistance in case of unemployment, old age, sickness and disablement. To make provision for just and humane condition for work and maternity relief. To secure, and now let us see 43, that is to secure a living wage and a decent standard of life and cultural opportunity. Now 43A, to take steps to secure participation of workers in management of industries. Now 47, that is to rise the level of nutrition and standard of living of people and to improve or promote the public health. Okay. Now let us see the Gandhian principles. These principles are the principle which are drawn from the view of the Gandhi. Now let us see these principles. Article 40, organization of village panchayat. 43, to promote cottage industries. 43B, to promote cooperative societies. 46, promotion of education and economic interest of SCs and STs and other weaker section of the society. Okay. Now let us see 47, to bring about prohibition of intoxicants. Okay. Now let us see 48, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines, and to prohibit the slaughter of cows and other milks and draught animals. Liberal principles. These principles are liberal in nature. Now let us see the Article 44, that is Uniform Civil Code for all citizens. 45, to provide free and compulsory education for children below 14 years. 50 reads as separation of judiciary from executive, and 51 reads to promote international peace and amity. Sorry. Implementation of DPSPs. Since Constitution has come into existence of our India, there has been much legislation to implement the DPSPs. The first amendment itself was an implementation of DPSPs in the sense or in the form of land reforms. After that, the Fourth Amendment, 17th, 25th, 42nd, 44 Amendment Acts, and 43rd Constitution Amendment Acts also amended to implementing DPSPs. Okay, several legislations have been made for the humane condition of workers and women. Okay, these also deals with the DPSPs implementation. The government position as regarded the uniform civil code is the matter. Okay, now let us see directives on other parts of the constitution outside the part 4, and it consists of article 335, 350a and 351. Now first let us see the 351, to provide adequate facilities for the instruction in mother tongue at primary stage of a children of linguistic minorities. Okay, now let us see article 351. It enjoins the union to promote the spread of Hindi language so that it may serve as a medium of expression of all elements of the composite culture of India. Okay, now let us see article 335. It says that the claims of SCs, STs shall be taken into consideration consistently with the maintenance of efficiency of administration in making appointments of to services and posts in connection with the affairs of union or state. Thank you for watching. There will be a much more videos on polity series. Once again, thank you for watching.